on somebody, then a long time cocky swinging in the family. Shanta, you have no escape to escape this. Stand up and enter your position with grace. Rosealee can't class her sister and dig up her sister pass and throw underneath the bus. And you get to Shanta, you better find a church go live in. You better break your mother's curse from early. Oh. I don't understand how people sit down and listen to her. And that's the next thing. You go tell your sister all sort of something. So when you tell your sister from she have 14 how much body she can live, it just put me in mind of Shanta. We don't have a generation curse. Remember, we born to take wood, any wood of all kind. Remember, we born to take khaki. It's true, nobody know to talk about your rat back them where you piss out, you know, but you for sit down and class your sister in our history. We never need to know how much man did go to Lami. That is the past. That is the past. Let us talk about Shanta where I get fingerprint to the day. You're not talking about that part that you want to talk about. I will always remind the internet. I will always remind the internet. Oh. Remember, say phone will not come with no virginity, it don't come with no hymen, it just come adult. Remember, we're not born to suck and take hold. Always remember that. Always remember that. You know, I say you sick my stomach for your big sister. Your sister look better than you have like your statement. Eh? Which part of your statement? Which part of your statement? Your caution tape. You're dead meat, Rosealee, literally. If nobody no believes so you're dead, ask your order. Down to the funeral home smell better than your crutches. Me not ask because it come with iota farm. The cologne for put pan dead. Me not you sick drunk or stomach. You sick drunk or stomach. Your mother finally get help through Lami. Your mother can't eat ox. Me don't know if it come with a stale. Your mother can't eat ox without oxen, octagon, or oxyclean, oxy-white, but she can't eat ox. Because I don't know about no meat, you know. I don't want to confuse me. I don't want to confuse me. But your mother can't eat ox now. You understand me? Without your contribution and it a beat your bag. Go suck your mother, Rosealee. And if you don't want to suck your mother, go suck Shanta. You're brighty. I say for me and Lami, anyway they must spit in your face. I not ask you. Anyway you them spit in your face for me and Lami. But you Lami no bad still. Stay home Lami. Don't follow me. Do not follow me Lami. Don't make my boots you up. Oh. And you see so good Jaden. So good figure it out and so good when name there. I not tell no lie. The whole of no suck good like dog. The whole of no suck cocky like dog. I not ask you before you move up the girl who not look cloud. You not go like Rosealee can't go in the cloud. Rosealee is no big shit. She's the shit. Yeah, she's a shit. Yeah, the whole of not look cloud. I don't like how you stay. When you come like when you walk and suck on one another. Like when you taste on one another cocky flavor. Yeah, it's true. I say Diamond should have shit in a plate and give figure it out. All of them are hypocrite and all of them don't take up the vulnerable people them and use them. Take up everybody who are vulnerable and try use them for stay relevant. I not ask you now. The time Jaden walk a faster relationship, him go faster relationship by finding his mom. So for him mother Jaden go like him not have no brother and sister. Oh nobody no want get to know Jaden. Eh? Your mother could have never breed and get you alone. After now one pop your mother will come with Jaden, go find your rest of siblings them and then you will find mommy. I say, with the Susan show there. It's true. I say, all when TikTok lie, I say unblock Jaden, I'm glad me never unblock him. Jaden move from here so you sick drunk or stomach. Pick a side and pick a struggle. You can't find mommy. Pick a side, pick a struggle. Is that you're going to find your mother, you know? And you're going to find your birth paper, but you have to find something. When you sit drunk or stomach, the whole of them behave like some big set of dirty batty, man. The whole of them, pick a side, pick a side. I pay energy struggle, me see I go on. And that me I wonder if Jaden look like him evolve. It's true, I care zero what they want to say. Oh. But then you should know say Jaden and nobody if him name from Shay and Annie. Jaden is a nobody because he eat from Shay and Annie. So you should know that from day one. So you can't expect better. The devil ass with. It's the devil ass with them. When I take up Lami now, they don't have support Rosealee. When I would tell them some things and I truly love them still. Can't believe it. I truly love them. I say I'll figure it out him when live under filter. You little bit of a big man face. I say last night Rosealee have the whole internet under demonic spell. Rosealee have the entire internet under demonic spell last night. Mr. The argument dirty and it come like she in a comfort zone. Big and negative and I bet you she not beard. I bet you she not beard. Before the child got beard and wipe out underneath her neck and soak her back them. You understand me? The child stand up on the internet and cuss her sister to your sister and make it over you. Rosealee go scout your dirty mama. I don't want this Laverne, you know. Not you Laverne. Our next mother. I don't know what that is. Our next mother Laverne. Sometimes you don't deserve it in a Laverne, but we have to show you in it. So God know. But Laverne, if them tell them one another about you, I can't tell them about you. Rosealee got so dirty Laverne. Oh, I not too mean it in a Laverne. You understand me? But true, Laverne love me, man. Just love me. I cuss. I just cuss Laverne. Now see me a road and cuss me. But since them sit down on the internet, I say, go suck your mother. When they tell me feel like them, I tell them when they come suck me. Because me I say, who is them mother? So a different mother them have Laverne? You just want to know. I saw Shanta and Barbara go up and a cuss, you know. I saw Shanta and Barbara go up and a behave. Me nothing allowed to live like dog. Wanna live like dog. Rosealee is a dirty stinking woman. You need to understand that. You's a big dirty stinking girl. And you call yourself mother. But nothing like Rosealee. I show you the far. Trust me. And you go on when you're out the road, you're quiet. It's true. When you're out the road, you're very quiet. Go suck out the last part of Laverne. Laverne give you away as she get you with the navel string in her, a dog bite it. A dog bite it. That's how you release to your granny. Me not ask you. And you come but 5 man do you when you're 14. How much man do you when you're 6? The same fingerprint them Shanta have and she not reaching her teens yet. You did have more cocky in you them time the Rosealee. It's just that Shanta moves slow with body. Oh, me say, Lami should have been all my. Well, Lami can't be nothing to me because she have out a Laverne. Lami should have been my pen pal. Just saying. Yeah, just saying. One too big and careless. He's a big woman, he's a sister. You have a daughter where walk, I behave like she's Little Red Riding Hood. You have a daughter where behave like she's woodpecker. Yeah, you have a little woodpecker. You have a little woodpecker and you class your sister, dig up your sister past when your daughter create history for herself in her future. You know, remember that? Rosealee, where your father there? Remember, nobody no want own you as daddy, you know. Nobody no want them name call upon you, know. Where your father there, Rosealee? Because you walk a class girl and all know you can't come with a daddy. All I know you can't come with a daddy. Make the whole of it talk. Because you say you're a top girl without a daddy and your daddy not dead. Where your daddy there, Rosealee? Because you always want in a girl face. Where is your father? Nobody no want own you. Where is daddy? Daddy not available. You have to talk about them something. You're a top girl and your father alive and him no want claim you. You're a top girl and you say you have money and daddy still no want own you. Nobody no want them name call with you. If Akeem never did come from prison and broke and desperate, him name would not attach to him, would not do series with you. Come in the whole of a reason, Rosealee. Remember, say a prison Akeem did come from, and Akeem never have nothing like Whitney Houston. So come now. So when you go like you have a man, you not have no man, the boy you eat out your hand. Make me tell you that. The boy you eat out your hand. Remember, you're the only top girl who sit down on the app and have to watch your money, man, other girl. $3,000 you buy Akeem watch for suck him out. Remember Diamond did come tell we $3,000 you buy $3,000 you buy a watch for and did one name Akeem cocky and not even that him want push in your infected mouth. Come now Rosealee. At least man can go and grind Lami. Nobody know want you. Nobody. So when you talk about them girl they happy this with man and that with man, Rosealee, are your party a user for your sister. Wealthy and stink. Thank you, honey bunny. Wealthy and stink. And Wallace, what my baby? Yeah, wealthy and stink. And that hurt you. Anybody tell you about Akeem? Me don't know about Akeem. And you take up your little $2 or $3, $5,000. Rosealee, move your nasty corruption, blood finger. Your little bit and program, your station. Akeem put you one side for sit down. You can't move unless him command you to. Move from you so you're living a life, Rosealee. You can't out and about. You can't out and about. You hate your sister. Your mother come on the app to get $1 because you not give them nothing. You're not giving them nothing. You like have upper and over people. And God bless Lami. So Lami can come and your mother can eat oxymoron, oxyclean, oxy. I don't want to say oxtail, you know. I mean, I think them have been the whole of them teeth. I don't think them have been the whole of them teeth. But your mother can eat ox, something in an ox. Without your help and it'll burn you. Oxy master, yeah. And it'll hurt you to your heart. It'll hurt you because once you leave, you tell people when them for stay hungry and you tell people when them belly for full. Go suck your mama stinking Rosealee. Me that chop you with a cut zinc. Go name out your mother. Oh, go name Laverne and Shanta from back ways. Go name them. You stink like. And go work on your infection where you have in your old ability will grow with you as a youth. And your pen pal that you hold in your crutches is your pen pal. And your best friend that, oh, you see them spank shell the way you have in your hole. And your best friend them and your company them. Go talk to the Oriza with them. All the little house supposed to stink. Me say, sweet when Lami say, me know you don't like me, so when I come on you, I come dig and cut. Me like how Lami stay. If Akeem a dig, why she can't dig is your sister. Right, it hurt me say when I see how you're going for your sister. Nobody don't want to know how much man grind Lami. She's still alive. And she not have no other work with. She not even have arm and barracks in her hole, but you do. You, the only thing you're crutching shatter right now, Rosealee. Me never ask no question. The only thing you're crutching shatter is a rat patrol. Yeah, you want a rat in your belly. You want something to tour them little gun out there. You want it to tour it around in your hole. You type you can move around in an Airbnb. And you're the only girl me see get banned from CV and rent an Airbnb. Rent an Airbnb. Airbnb. Air OB and OB. And you come by your nice, clean sister. She's not nice and clean really, you know, but she's one. Yeah. A little bit kind of nasty. Wanna be? Never see something scare me so yet like when Rosealee a cuss. Killy did look good at your favorite wrong turn. Me say if you're slim and ugly in a body now you can pass in a life, but when you're big up like you, girl, appear stop like that for your future. You're not going nowhere. Me say she heavy down the internet yesterday na people. Exactly, Raquel. Her attitude nasty. It not. The child is just so negative. She is just so negative. People want to come on the internet and enjoy a good cussing. People want to come on the internet and enjoy a good trolling. People want to come on the internet and enjoy something nice. You come up with this big negativity and you just a class your sister as a big sister. As a big sister, you class your little sister and you class her for no reason at all. Enough opportunity the little girl get in her defense. Enough opportunity the little girl get work with a class you and she ignore your Rosealee. But your aunt to the child. Your aunt to the child. But I pay a batty man this and a batty man cocky you want so Akim name calling a many batty. Akim would calling a many baton. And you still would have suck up the shit up him dick. You Rosealee. So don't use your fat and cuss your sister. Akim name no calling and nothing else but with man. Ask the internet how them know Akim him name a call for man. Not you. Not him trying to give you a better life. A man everybody know Akim by. I saw him can't escape it imprint on him like me. Me not ask you. So when you go tell your sister say, batty man grind you, Rosealee come here. Just in case the general public no know a whole heap of batty man grind you. You suck shit off a dick and then a lie me a tell pan you Rosealee. Remember you a batty mama. Remember you a batty mama. People don't understand me attack. You know the most batty man in Jamaica. Ask anybody. You know the most batty man in Jamaica, and it's not today you know them. It's not TikTok make you know them. You know them from your walk with the island dial for your granny. Natalie, you walk one girl? Yeah, it's not like I me post the tell you no. I never candy come out with it first. And me post the tell you no. Say Rosealee know the most batty man in Jamaica. And me post the tell you no. I never candy first. But when you never listen to me when I talk about Rosealee history, because when you say me chat too much, and I don't know me I chat say. Hey, a whole heap of things about Rosealee. When I tell you she used to suck cocky behind Wall Theatre, Wall Theatre wouldn't believe me. I pay homeless with Rosealee, so Rosealee never get a good man yet. Never get a good man yet. That's why I don't know how Cheryl run down Jakes. Rosealee never get a good man yet. Never get a good man yet. Ask the homeless man them no want come out, come talk. Me I tell you no, something me I tell you no, I'm missing Rosealee got dentist, you know. We got take out history out her teeth. Oh, I'm missing Rosealee got dentist. Me. But unbelieve when you just sit down and listen to everything. Rosealee, what she does is this. She project everything that happened to her in her life on others. So una sit down and believe it. We never know. We never know everything what happened to Rosealee in her life and it she use and cuss people. Don't misbelieve it. You saw she love come talk about girl whole thing. And Rosealee walk with arm and barracks. Only thing in her want is a rat patrol. Is a little ratty. Yeah, it's a little ratty to want. We just go yeah. Make infection skid it. Me not ask her no. All you see she's doing she a cuss her sister. She a use she a cuss her sister. Only alone sit down and buy false narrative. Now ask on every community Rosealee go in. Rosealee is a cocky tester. She walk and stretch homeless hood. Oh. Now ask her now. Exactly mind game she play. Every day she use version of herself and project it on others. It's not lie, but when I listen to when me talking on say me tell woman me eat woman me this woman and everything when me talk about the child is true. I made the first one come up and tell you say Rosealee is a handicap. When I remember that check 2024 to be exact. Me the first one come up and tell you say Rosealee is a handicap. She have deficiency, look on her face, go right down to her toe. And me the first one tell you say Rosealee is the but you don't believe me. You know what I say? The 8 woman and Rosealee is no woman. And Rosealee and Laverne used to share, man. Sometimes I can't bother with doing it, that's why I don't come on for live, you know. That's why I don't come on for live. Eh? No, don't answer. Do not answer. Rosealee, do not answer her because she uses her sin and curse others. Yeah, that's why I take her daughter. You see, everything where Rosealee do people in her life, I go lodge pan Shanta. Me not ask you, because you like call a spade, you know. That's why you always tell mothers this. You see, once you start having picnic, not care how sinful you used to live, try do better. Try do better, because it's not everything about take you. It's about take your child. It is going to take your child, but you not like hear that. When the thing said the sin of the mother, I just lodge on the mother alone. Hello. You know much time I go down on my knee and beg my mother, do live good. Do live good. Love people. And one thing my born and grow come say is that my mother always a help out a set a family. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. So good seed. You know, see a little rat but a little woodpecker Shanta, I behave exactly like she. I'm not about, oh my God, it's a child. It's a child. And Rosealee can come remind me, say, our sister get 5 man when she was 14, including Jakes. Come on, somebody. Come on, somebody. Then a long time cocky swinging in the family. Shanta, you have no escape to escape this. Stand up and enter your position with grace. Yeah, you have no escape or escape this. Rosealee can't class her sisters and dig up her sister pass and throw underneath the bus. And you get with Shanta, you better find a church go live in. You better break your mother's curse from early. Oh, you see a little face? You see your face? We just need to pray for her. We? So good. We just need to pray for she. Hey, if I ever diss all you, you see big wall. If I ever diss all you, but we just need to pray for. Eh? We were need for prayer. I saw sometimes on enough. I saw sometimes on enough. One thing with me, I don't walk and give a careless prayer. We must learn. All we must do is pray for her. Hey girl, go on before my crab, you know. I mean, I don't want to hurt you. Go on before my crab, you. Please and thank you, you're welcome. Go on before my crab, you know, miss. Oh, come on, I want to respect you this morning, God, no. Yeah, because you just a step on my bunny and I can't, so. Go on, you know, lady. Lady, go on, you know. Oh. The lady can sit down on the live and talk anything when the world come down on her. She says to me, I know my God bless you and you pick them curse. Go pray for them, go take you off of your kids them future. That shit for God do. The mama suck the grape it edge the picking them teeth. You mad? Yeah, I like sexy. Go on in a miss before you make my crab. I don't want crab hour, you know. I don't want crab hour. For sure. That's why people not like when I talk, I'm go to the grassroots, I not look cloud. I see some people put up about everybody and make money off of Rosealee. Nobody not make money off of Rosealee. Rosealee is not a cash cow, let me tell you that. Rosealee is not a cash cow. What got Rosealee to make money believe say she have money is card cleaning. Rosealee is a thief. She's a thief, ask Akeem. Yeah, go like a man Akeem did kill and go to prison. And a thief, a robbery, them a thief. From figure it out coming right down, them a thief. The whole of them a thief. A thief a entertain, you know. And anything you live by, you shall die by it. One way or another. Yeah. Akeem do one video talk about pay low life people. You know? And a prison Akeem come from a name of Rosealee and Rosealee card and spend and chat the girl about her front stink with other people. Akeem put a grip on it, man. You're too batty is him. But as so batty people stay walk and chat every and anybody. As so batty people say, Akeem, you're walking in your order. You're walking in your order. Yeah? Yeah? You're walking in your order, my love. You walk and chat the girl and the girl are mind you. You don't rate the girl either. Rosealee not see that, but she say Marvin them I use Lami. Look how long Akeem I use the ear and other you buy $3,000 watch give him for suck the shit off him cocky and him not give to you. I'll bat him and I refuse you, Rosealee. You don't have no stands in a life. You have to sit right down. You don't have no stands in a life. You don't know how you say you're a top girl and bat him and I refuse you. Me don't know how you do it, you know. Me don't know how you sit down at night time and tell yourself the lie. Me don't know how you comfort yourself in a lie. You just comfort yourself in a denial, so me don't know how you work it out. Our minions can't threaten him. Our minions can't threaten him. Let me tell you something. Akeem only stay because him a look a bigger bidder than Rosealee. Me now ask you, as soon as him find a bigger bidder, Akeem gone left Rosealee. Trust and believe. You not go like you never take money, you just take on the phone of things, not on the whole. Come now, man. Okay, come like you want me stand up. Let me remind some of you since some shaking on the delivery. Enough how we take man and the man don't want to hold him more with things and not sure we are mind him. You're not going like Akeem come off a good table. Akeem mother struggle. And she in a different country. And she has struggle. Remember so she can't beg salt which part she in Jamaica. So I just a latch on to that person as soon as he gets something bigger and better. What you say out of your mouth? We're not going to let the series real as him sister the kitty go down him come. Yeah. Stop that. Not real. Move now, man. When a man. Not real. The next thing them go play is that's the next thing them gonna play, but I pity she can't run. So I'm gonna make it from the dinner table to the dinner table. And that's just the truth. Nobody cry yet, my baby. All your tears. All your tears till the diabetes take over Rosealee. Yeah, not cry yet, not cry too early, girl, because you're gonna want it later. We're not going to let nothing serious there, so. You know, sister, she never got Akeem yard yet. She never got Akeem yard yet. She can't pop up unannounced. Akeem have a key for the house. He never knock the door. Never knock the door. And Rosealee says she a top girl. And Akeem never knock the door. Akeem swing by, eat when he want, eat and leave when he's ready to leave. I bet Akeem don't stack him fridge in yard. What's the purpose when you have your pantry over Rosealee house? And she go like she a portion or nothing. Eh? Make it make sense, huh? And him the only one you see pop up on her. And she a walk a top about she and boy there. You can't go in yard. And you claim to say you have a vehicle. You take Uber go suck Jake's hood. Come now, man. You take taxi go suck Jake's hood. But the way you take a cab go suck Akeem bottom. Why you take a cab go eat Akeem ass. Then everybody in your family is sodomite apart from you. Your sister eat down to the auntie and the granny. Then you eat the most laverne. It's either you eat laverne or Shantine or Rosealee, but you eat somebody too. Because you're the bigger one and you come first and you bust the sister out in a eating clit. So you must eat Shanta. Me don't know how Lami don't know for cuss you, you know. Me don't know how Lami don't know how to cuss you. Because all me like you the cussing easy. Me see when you tell me you're cussing, you're frightened when Lami answer you. You're frightened because you don't know what to say. You don't know what to say. Yeah, back off. Rosealee, you can't argue with no girl. Yeah? No. Rosealee can't argue with no girl. Rosealee friend when Lami answer back. Because Lami have Rosealee belly bottom. You walk and wear out the girl clothes because your girl never have clothes. Your sister younger than you, so she bound for in the hip and the app. Remember only portrait you make smile. Yeah, like a filter. A only portrait you make smile in her clothes. Remember me cuss if you change your clothes them Rosealee. Come now man, cause people don't remember you know. And me cuss you. Remember you used to have 3 top. Monday to Wednesday you wear Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday and Wednesday, Saturday. Remember you know Rosealee, people just come on the app with cellular phone. Them just get hip and app. Me not ask you and me cuss you when you used to live in a little cage without light and window. Come now. Come now girl, you're going like you not remember. Yeah, well, and of course, I cuss you know, I just remind you about your past. I always remember that. Come in a business on a dirty argument. Yeah. Lami no know focus you say. Me say me I sit down and see a Uncle Marvin. And Marvin a real batty boy them, you know. Marvin figure it. One who did it on the live. Marvin figure it out. Jaden. And them three that did it on the live. When I real batty man, cause I could make Rosealee angle me so. I could make Rosealee angle me no go to the door, go dig up some dirt and water it and show her how she look. And Jabas. Yeah, them a real batty boy if you sit down on the app and make this big dirty aga style on the one, yeah. You say me lose half a one to the core. Me don't want to come over there with piece of electric card and beat on the left, right and center. She angle the whole of them, she angle. Don't think I'm having alone, she angle. She angle the whole of them, she angle bangle and triangle them. So you think I'm having alone, she attack her? One man. She'll of course figure it out for Diamond too. But I pity him can't pick up because he's a batty boy. Yeah. She a class all of them. You know, you should say she block the whole of them. So our Marvin alone she that angle. Them have to eat from her. Come here. I one thing with dirty batty man, you know. One thing with dirty batty man, them have a gully lifestyle. Them have a gully lifestyle. Notice, dirty batty man have a gully, you know, gully trench lifestyle. You never know. And them willing to bring down Lami to make Rosealee feel good. Now ask you, them willing to bring down Lami to make Rosealee feel good. And you know what is the problem, what I say? Even though them come up with Lami to get a real after Lami because of Rosalee's sister, but it work in reverse. Lami get the real over the whole of them, and at that them see and watch, and at that affect them. I true wouldn't not see it. That's why I mean look on them. I one thing with me, them can't say me I watch out them live. God bless Martin when the news come. One thing them can't say me I watch out them live. And that's the only thing. That's why me say me want Lami piss on the whole of them. Me want Lami piss on the whole of them. Cause them in the body, that's all them do. Passing themselves against people. You figure it out depend all they black na my youth. Diamond, you should have shit in a plate, you figure it out. Him wouldn't know the difference cause I batty them boy then yam. No ask how no batty them yam. Remember Bush figure it out used to go in and say I have to run behind Rosealee cause them never have no address. Them never live nowhere. Oh. Remember a man drug figure it out right up to this, so remember no girl never invest in a figure it out yet, you know. A man, them boy they say man, them boy they are Mandy more. You never know, a Mandy more, them boy they about sister girl. The whole of them favor Mandy more. Me not ask you. A man, them boy they say that's why them clown out girl. Yeah, laugh low. You think I joke? It's true. A man them boy they say that's why them clown out girl. You know see girl go in a series and man go in a secret. One yeah. Them put all of them relationship in a series. Everything we fake them put in a series and them hide them cocky where them a suck a lick a chaw and a bite and a bum off. Me not ask on a Mandy more them or the sister girl crew. Mandy more. Oh, them like when the man them girl or. Not ask no.